Hey guys, and welcome back to How Logical. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to change your unique email address in Dropbox. Now let us begin. Well, do you know that I have already logged into my account? In case you have not to log in, it's quite easy. All you have to do is go to dropbox.com and simply enter your credentials. Right now, we're only gonna look at how to change our unique email address, which directly saves email attachments to our Dropbox folder. That is right here, email attachments. To do that, initially what you guys have to do is simply click on your profile picture at the top right section of the navbar. That is in fact account. Simply click on it. As you can see, lots and lots of options, but worry not. What you guys have to do is simply scroll right over to settings. Once you are in this section, initially you will be in the general tab. Do you note that there are other tabs as well? But for now, simply scroll down in the general tab till you see something like features, and below it there is something called as email to Dropbox. Right now, this is my unique email address. Now let's say I want to change it. I'm simply gonna click on this get new address button right here on the right side, and as you can see, something like this opened up. The top one is my current address and the below one is my new address. I can simply change it by clicking on this refresh icon right here. As you can see, my new address is being changed. I'm satisfied with this one, so I'm simply gonna hit on save changes. And guys, that is it. Simply hit undone, and that's it. That's how you change your unique email address in Dropbox. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this too, remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.